Welcome to Executive Laser Wash, Central Iowa's locally owned touchless car wash. In this video, we will show you how to easily use the 24/7 self-service car washes at our multiple locations around the Des Moines Metro, using both the touchscreen kiosk and our mobile app. First, pull your car up to the screen to where you can easily reach it from your window and touch the screen to get started. Either purchase a wash or enter a wash code if you have one. Then, select which wash package you would like. Next, select your payment method from the options given on screen. Another option you have is our app, whether you have a Wash Club membership or you just want to purchase a single wash. Using our Executive Laser Wash app speeds the checkout process and makes things even easier. When you first pull up to the kiosk, open the app from your phone and select Wash Club. Confirm which car wash location you're at. Press the Scan QR code button and point your phone camera towards the QR code on the kiosk. Confirm your purchase, and you're all set. Before entering the car wash, we suggest you fold in your mirrors and remove any other accessories that you have on your vehicle to keep them secure. Now you're ready for your car wash. Following the LED prompts, carefully pull forward into the wash and enjoy your freshly cleaned vehicle. If you have any further questions, please feel free to reach out to us so we can help you further. We take pride in your ride.